let's make some pizza dough that we can put on the grill and make yummy grilled pizza. So I have my flour in my bowl already. I'm gonna add some salt and a packet of yeast. That's instant dry yeast, and I'm just gonna combine those together. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil to my warm water here. We're gonna start by adding little by little to see just how much we need to add. I'm starting off by using my flat beater, and then once it starts to come together, I'm gonna switch out for my dough hook there. So I love this tilt head design. Makes it super easy to tilt back the bowl so I can have easy access to add ingredients and to change out my beaters. So when you use the dough hook, you always use speed 2, and you don't need to knead for more than 3 to 5 minutes. Let me show you what it looks like at this point. So it's still a little sticky, still a little craggly. We want that to be a little bit smoother. So I'm gonna put this on speed 2 and come back in about 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and the dough has totally transformed. It's not sticky anymore, it's not craggly. You can see that it's really, really supple and smooth. So we're just gonna take this dough, put it into a greased bowl here, turn it so the greased side is up, cover it with some plastic wrap, and we're just gonna set it to rise. If you want Okay, here we are at the grill. Once the grill's preheated, really nice and hot, and you've brushed off the grill grates, you want to oil the grill grates with a little neutral oil that's good for high heat. Of course, you want to do this very carefully because you're dealing with flammables. So this is going to further clean the grates and help the dough not to stick. So I have my dough spread out. I'm not really worried whether it's a perfect round pizza shape. I like to just kind of plop it on the grill. A little oblong is fine. Close the lid, and you want to get it nice and cooked on one side. You can take a peek, check and see how it's doing. It should be bubbling up at the top and getting kind of a nice crust there on the bottom. So we're doing well, maybe just another 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, I am going to, whoa, look at that great bubble there. So what you can do is you can kind of pop those guys if they pop up with a knife or your tongs. So what I want to do at this point is get the dough flipped over and just lightly cooked on this side, and then I'm going to take it off and put the toppings on. You need to lightly cook it on the second side, or else the dough is sticky and it's hard to get back on the grill once you put on your toppings. Okay, like I said, you don't want it to get totally done on that second side because that's going to get cooked more when you have your toppings on. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. You want to go very, very light on your toppings. Okay, so I put just a whisper of sauce, some fresh mozzarella, and some shaved Parmesan. So we're just going to slide that guy off, put the lid on, and I'm going to turn the temperature down a little bit now. Trap that heat in there, and we just want the cheeses to melt. Okay, I'm gonna pop this guy off here. I can smell it's getting nice and charred on the bottom. The cheese is melted. I'm gonna top that with a little fresh basil. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful pizza. Gonna love having that for dinner. All right, happy cooking, everyone. In this case, happy grilling. Take care.